Good morning. This is Mike Houston with your Monday morning weather hazard briefing for southeast Idaho. Taking a look at our weather impact summary slide, we see the next storm system will be dropping down the coast today through Thursday, providing some weather activity for southeast Idaho. Looks like we may have a mostly dry weekend, but the next storm system looks like it arrives late Sunday afternoon or evening, so we'll see another storm system for early next week. Looking at the satellite imagery this morning, we have a large low-pressure system here located off the northwest coast with a disturbance rotating through the base of the low, and that looks like that'll eject out of the low today into Oregon, with all of this accompanying moisture spreading into southeast Idaho. And then as we work into the next couple of days, the main low here will drop down the coast, and that'll continue to churn some moisture up into southeast Idaho. The brunt of the precipitation should fall late this afternoon and tonight, with some lingering showers going into Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, looking at our weather impact matrix, we have a mix of valley rain and mountain snow here across southeast Idaho. I think probably minimal impacts here for the southeast and eastern highlands and the Sawtooth area, where we expect to see maybe accumulations of 1 to 4 inches up in the higher elevations, and maybe an inch or so in some of the lower basins and valleys where we could see a mix of rain and snow. Like I said, some snow showers will be lingering across the area here Tuesday through Thursday, but essentially dwindling as that low pressure system drops south along the coast. Hey, looking at the storm track for today, off the screen is that low pressure system here, but we have this strong southwest flow working its way up through California and Nevada into southern Idaho this afternoon, and along with that will come some precipitation and a cold front as it approaches the region. High temperatures today out ahead of that cold front, still fairly mild, with readings here in the 50s down in the Burley area, mid-40s in the Central Mountains and upper Snake Plain and southeast Highlands, where temperatures will be a little cooler. Here we are looking at the wind gusts this afternoon as that front begins to push into the region here around noon, and then up the Snake River Plain through the afternoon hours. And then as we go into the overnight hours, we could expect to see wind gusts continuing through a good portion of the night as that storm system, at least the frontal position, works into Wyoming, but we're still seeing some pretty cold air pushing in from the west. Here we are looking at the storm track for Tuesday. Now we can see at least the eastern edge of that low pressure system now working down the Oregon coast. You can see the main storm track now carving through southern Nevada, Utah, and off into Wyoming. So we'll likely see just some scattered showers across the region here on Tuesday, with the main storm track off to our south. We will see gusty winds continuing at least through the morning hours. Winds should be dying off through the afternoon as, like I said, that storm system works down the coast. Okay, 24-hour snow totals. That's including the snow totals from this afternoon through tomorrow afternoon. As I said, accumulations here generally 1 to 4 inches here across the eastern highlands and central mountains. And if you get down into these valley locations, an inch or less for the most part, where we could see a mix of rain and snow at least early today. As we work our way into Wednesday, this will probably be when our high temperatures bottom out for the week at least. Looking at daytime highs here in the Burley area in the mid-40s, mid-30s in the Central Mountains, eastern highlands as well, somewhat cool. And as I mentioned previously, we are still expecting at least some light snow accumulation amounts in the mountainous areas here across the central and eastern highlands through Wednesday and even into Thursday. Temperatures begin to rebound as we work our way into the weekend, as warmer temperatures work back into the region. Here we are looking at the Burley area, back up into the mid-50s, mid-40s in the Central Mountains, Upper Snake Highlands, and Eastern Highlands. So we will see a rebound in temperatures going into the weekend. Okay, our weather impact summary again. The next storm system will begin to move into the region today and continue across the area through Thursday. Looks like we'll have a mostly dry weekend, and then our next storm system arrives late Sunday afternoon, most likely Sunday evening, and will impact the early portion of next week. Okay, that's all I had for you here this morning. If you had any comments, questions, or concerns, please give us a call here at the number on the screen. Thank you.